Hello, and welcome back to Mama Shrimp Show. I'm Sierra, the chef, mother, and shrimp lover like no other, which is why I bring you all globally inspired recipes that feature my favorite food of all time, shrimp. So today I'm going to show you all how to prepare a restaurant style, delicious, super easy butter poached shrimp. It's really good. And the thing about this, you guys, when I researched this, I saw that there were several restaurants that had it on their menus, and the cheapest one that I saw was $16, and that's just totally ridiculous to me. So I'm going to show you guys how to prepare this meal at home, restaurant quality meal at home. That's going to surely impress not only you but also your guests. It's super easy and it's able to work with whatever ingredients you all have on hand. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But here we go. We're gonna get started. So the ingredients, like I said, super simple. We have our shrimp. I have about 8, maybe 6 to 8 jumbo shrimp, and I'm only doing like a small appetizer serving, so you can actually increase the shrimp if you want to. I also have some red pepper flakes, some salt, kosher salt. I have some black pepper, some balsamic vinaigrette. Some balsamic vinegar, and I have some butter, salted butter. And I also have a few aromatics. And the thing about poaching shrimp is that you can add whatever it is that you want, whatever it is that you have on hand, you can add it into your poaching butter because it only increases the flavor. So I definitely encourage that you guys do that. So the first thing I'm going to start off with.
Mommy, boat.
I'm sorry.
Ready?
Turn on my heat.
Oh, Lord. Hey, go.
Move some things around, you guys. I'm sorry. So here we go. So the first thing I'm starting off with is I'm going to go ahead and put my butter. Go ahead and start melting the butter on a slow simmer. I'm sorry, on a low simmer. But the key to butter poached shrimp, thank you, is to cook it low and slow in order for the butter to permeate the shrimp. The flavor of that delicious butter that you prepare to permeate the shrimp. So I'm going ahead and putting that in the pan now, the butter. A little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add my aromatics in now. For me, I have a white onion. I'm sorry, the white part of a scallion, of a green onion. I'm sorry. A little salt, kosher salt, always. Some red pepper flakes. Just a little for me.
Here we go. Red dick.
I have company today, you guys.
Red dick.
And a few garlic cloves.
Ah!
And I leave them whole, but I crush them.
I like those.
Just give that a little quick toss. A few dashes of balsamic. That's probably like a teaspoon of balsamic. You can add whatever you want into your poaching liquid. Anything that you have on hand, feel free to add that into your poaching liquid. a dash of vanilla, about a teaspoon. It brings out the sweetness of the shrimp. I know that's very odd to add vanilla into a savory dish, but it brings out the sweetness of the shrimp. So I definitely encourage you to try that, not only with shrimp, but with lobster as well. Any type of seafood will pretty much work. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. This heat to go down a bit before I add my shrimp. Get those aromatics in there. I'm gonna add a little butter, a little more butter. Okay. And I'm actually going to add a few more red pepper flakes. It smells so good. I can smell the sweetness of the vanilla, so I'm really looking forward to that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. I have nice large jumbo shrimp that I've actually peeled. I'm sorry, I didn't peel them, but I deveined them. And the vinegar in the poaching liquid is going to allow those shells to come off a lot easier. Whenever you decide to leave a shell on a shellfish, add a splash of vinegar and it helps the shells come off easier. So I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp now. Maintaining a slow, low temperature. It's really hot though. And it's going to cool down that butter a bit when you add those shrimp in, so it's a good thing. Submerged in the liquid. I would have used a pan, but this cooktop, I would have used a saucepan, but this cooktop is very particular.
Mommy. Hey. Thank you, Mom.
So I'm just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes. You do not want it to boil because what's going to happen is it's not going to poach the shrimp. And that flavor, the butter is not going to get into those shrimp. So you want to make sure that it's simmering, not boiling. fast as I wanted to, but I wanted to go slow, but I was going a little too slow. So.
We do that. I found the dumplings. Yeah, the dumplings.
I'm just turning them over, flipping them. And I'm going to turn down the heat a bit. Making sure that all of my shrimp are completely submerged in that liquid. But they are just about almost done, y'all. It's an easy recipe, I'm telling y'all. Like I said, $16 was cheapest that I saw it, but you can definitely replicate this at home for a lot cheaper. As with a lot of the recipes that you have, as with a lot of the dishes that you have at restaurants, you can always replicate it at home. And with the poached liquid, like I said, you can add anything in there. You can add wine into it. Definitely add some vinegar if you decide to poach a lobster in this tail. Or if you decide to use shellfish, add a little splash of vinegar, and then, like I said, it'll help your shells be removed easier.
Yeah.
Happy to remove those shells easier. So these look done to me. Done enough to my liking. So I am going to go ahead and actually I wanted to try this. It's poaching liquid. I know it's going to be good on top of mine. I have toast today. Really good. So these guys look done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up. And for plating, I have toast.
Oh, no, I like the toast.
You like toast? Okay.
Yes.
Watch out, see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and.
Hey, I like it.
Okay, like this at a restaurant, like this, on some toast, but you can put it with rice, noodles, grits. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry. It was hot, wasn't it? I'm sorry.
Wait a minute.
So this is, I'm gonna do like an appetizer portion. Top it off with a few red pepper flakes. And please, Sienna, watch out. She's going after the toast, y'all. I'm sorry. And a few scallions. Aaron, Sienna, please. So a few green onions. It's hot, Sienna. Okay, so we got our shrimp. Wait a minute, baby. Shrimp, and we're gonna add some of that. It is hot. That poaching liquid.
It's hot.
The butter, the poached butter as a sauce. Simple, beautiful way to prepare this. You like it, Sienna? You give it a thumbs up? A thumbs up. Show y'all thumbs up. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay, so I hope you guys try this at home. Restaurant quality poached shrimp, butter poached shrimp, and my daughter just stole it, and it's really hot. So hopefully she learned a lesson. So you guys give this a shot. Make sure you guys hit the notification button and subscribe to my channel if you guys love shrimp as much as I do. I'm going to be bringing you guys a new shrimp dish every single day. And while we are in quarantine right now, my shrimp guy said that he's going to be open all the time. And right now he is an essential business. So I hope you guys, if you are blessed enough to have shrimp available at this time, I hope you guys give this a try. But if not, when all of this is over, I definitely encourage you to give this a try. So until next time, this is Mama Shrimp signing off. Until next time, make sure you guys take care of each other and take care of yourselves. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Sienna.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.